Once upon a coral reef, there lived a curious little fish named Finn. Finn had big dreams of exploring the vast ocean beyond the reef. Every day he swam around, admiring the colorful fish and swaying seaweed. One sunny morning, while playing hide and seek with his friends, Finn spotted a shimmering object glinting in the distance. Intrigued, he darted towards it, his fins fluttering with excitement. As he drew closer, he realized it was a sparkling treasure chest nestled among the rocks. Without hesitation, Finn pushed open the lid and discovered a dazzling array of jewels inside. His eyes widened in amazement as he marveled at the treasure before him. But just as he reached out to touch it, a deep voice echoed behind him. Startled, Finn turned to see a wise old sea turtle named Tidal. "Greetings, young Finn," Tidal said with a gentle smile. "That treasure belongs to the ocean, not to us fish." Feeling ashamed, Finn quickly closed the chest and apologized. Tidal nodded understandingly and offered to teach Finn an important lesson about honesty and respect for the ocean's treasures. From that day on, Finn learned to appreciate the wonders of the sea without taking them for granted. He swam alongside Tidal, exploring the ocean depths and spreading joy wherever he went. And though he never forgot the allure of the treasure chest, Finn knew that the true riches of the ocean were found in friendship, adventure, and the beauty of the underwater world. With a grateful heart, Finn continued his journey, eager to discover what other wonders awaited him beneath the waves.